This world's got an awful lot of people. You turn around and one more's being born. But in this world of oh so many people, I'm so grateful you are mine and I am yours. You brighten every room that you walk into. Even on the hard days you still glow. If you did not exist, I'd feel you missing. It's a fact, you fill the gap inside my soul. And on your birthday, I can't help but shout it out upon the hill. This world's a better place because of you, I gotta say. So happy birthday, I love you and I always will. Can't help but shout it out upon the hill. This world's a better place because of you, I gotta say. So happy birthday.